against him. So taking all these qualms and doubts of the President and the decision of the Supreme Court, do you think that the President is also unconstitutional and to some extent disrespectful in presenting his rebuttals by challenging the decision of the judiciary? Why or why not?
Okay, thank you very much for that very interesting question. You know what, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that our president right now, Benigno Aquino, is not disrespectful for what he decided about disbursement acceleration program. Always remember this, that the DAP is not a fund. Rather, it is a mechanic for this country to move forward in a progressive one. Let's make this DAP a mechanic to make each and every individual beneficiary, not only for the government officials, but also for the society. I believe that what President decided is what we need. It's just simply because that I believe President Noynoy Aquino is a good leader. Always inculcate this in mind, that leadership is not just a position, but it is a total action. And therefore, I believe what he has decided is totally for the benefit of the society and for the mankind from the Philippines. Always remember, ladies and gentlemen, that what he has decided, what he has given for us, these little children, for you, the society, I believe this will help us to be a progressive one, to have a progressive nation. Because always remember, with good governance, there is a strong nation. Always remember, as what John F. Kennedy said, ask not of what your country can do to you, but rather ask yourself of what you can do to your country. Because at the end of the day, it is not the government who's making a country. It will always us, the society, the mankind, who's making a good nation. Therefore, if you had your own responsibility as a voter and as a writing individual in this particular nation, you may say that you are a well-rounded, a dignified, and